We're pushing until flag. Don't get hit by the right side, pin 11. Eyes open, food buff now.
Food.
Don't pile up, they will use, guardian, be careful. Don't pile up. DPS, be careful. We're pushing left in 3, wait. We're moving now in 3, 2, 1, pushing 5, wait. They're following, go to pin 5 now.
Started.
Yeah, there's guardian, we're pushing in the middle in 3, 2, 1, buffing up now. Check the guys flanking us. Kill the crossbows. Pause your field. Nice. Patap ng
Tapping.
Just keep
Ay,
kill it
ano ba?
here na.
Kunin ko na ba? F ko na ba?
Ebony.
Ginawa
Una.
na ko.
Let's get.
We're good. I'm good.
Kill the guy beside me.
Kanye, don't move.
No here.
Oo, sarap.
Hold pin 7.
We
Don't
go
let
pin
him hit
7.
that pin 11 guys. Relax. SNS stay in the middle. Back. Pull back here. DPS, pull back here until pin 7 is below stairs. Pin 5. Pull back here.
The gem don't move. 2 seconds.
Okay, ready? Do you see them?
No.
Here's lang to. Just
Hindi
look around.
naman
I need comms fast.
O isa, dikot kayo dito kay Best Mercy. Mga kasama ko.
Kating bridge ako, Jay.
Okay.
They are going to the bridge.
Bridge? Alright.
Okay.
It doesn't matter.
10.
Holding this side.
10.
10 na? Okay, let's go. Follow me.
Papaket.
Let's go, follow me. Let's control pin 10 now. While we still have gate.
Incoming.
Reason.
Mercy, invite tayo.
Ready, reason.
Backline ha.
Sige.
Tara.
Protected.
Oh, no.
Nine, go.
Don't go. They're on the safe zone.
Don't.
They're pushing now. In 3, 2, 1. Holding the choke now. Holding the choke.
1, 2, 3, go.
Backline now. Focus on the backline. Ignite the SNS, guys.
Low.
Dropping backline.
Good shit.
Ang bomba natin ng Best Mercy.
Okay, we're going back. We're pulling back. We're going back. Kill the tanks. Going back. We're going back. Hold the boon. Pull back now. Go down. Hold the boon now, pin 7.
Get back.
Pin 7, guys. Pin 7.
Don't get caught, guys.
Good job, boys.
Nice na siya.
Stop fighting there. Go back. Come here.
Cutting ako ulit 10, Jay, ah.
You just need to hold this for 40 seconds so we can get the buff. Not everyone need to scout. Saan sila nagre-regroup?
Bridge yung half.
Breach again?
Yeah, bridge again.
Alright. We're gonna be ready at pin 3 and pin 2. Don't go pin 9. Pin 3 and pin 2. We will let them push below and then we are gonna push them. Just hold. Don't get close first.
Incoming.
They are coming.
Pato na.
Wait. SNS, get closer.
Kanye.
We're holding in. Ready.
Best
3,
Mercy.
2, 1.
Bibisbit na tayo.
Buffing up now. Bam it. Go up. Push them up.
1, 2, 3, go.
Pinakalalim. Go.
Gago. Nice one.
Go. Don't let them free hit. Get the top on the right side up top. Kill those guys, free hitting.
Well played.
Backline natin pang
Check behind us now. Just kill the tanks. Everybody's dead now. Go back. Kill the guys at pin 3. Play of you.
shit.
Heal up.
Parang wala na mamamatay sa atin.
Gawin na mamatay ako. Pag mumutan mo. Lugi ako kay Boss Mercy, nakapag-reset eh. Kaya ako, pag dito ako, wala, paalam.
Mag-thank you na agad kay sa healer.
Nice heals, nice heals.
Pag dun ulit nakashot,
Still have a gate.
try
Still
mo
have a
lumabas
gate
sa
where-
safe zone.
where Our gate is
Sige,
still
sige.
on cooldown.
Pagkabitaw, no?
Be confident.
Doon pala dapat tayo sa edge
sila,
ng
RG,
Don't
ah.
be too confident, guys. Be careful.
Pwede,
They
pwede.
still have
Likod,
gate.
pinakalikod.
They can swarm us. We can't let them gate inside inside the flag area.
RG sila
Hold hit,
tier
we
1
gonna go
side.
deep.
Pin 1.
More party. Hold hit.
Sa may pin 1 side.
If
Baba
they
ng
go
bridge.
pin 1,
Right
pasabi
side.
agad Akit na. Siguro.
Sige.
Undecided pa rin, Jay. May point pa.
I think they will do the. They will split. They will split for I think they will try.
Going
Papuntang 3. 3, 4, 5.
3, 4, 5.
Dyan angle,
Alright, they're gonna beat on behind us.
They're getting close. 3.
Alright. Be ready, be ready. Regroup now at pin 5. Regroup now at
They
pin
are
5.
coming.
Three,
They are
Pin 5,
coming.
ready.
coming.
We're pushing in 3, 2, 1. Buffing up now. Let's go. Hold them there. Don't.
Reason,
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hug left, let's go.
Dito tayo sa
Kasha.
On reason, on reason, on
Ay,
reason.
skip ako.
Cover our supports.
Backline,
Okay na lang.
Okay, we're going back in. We're going back in 3, 2, 1. Wipe backline, wipe back. Behind us, behind us, behind us.
Kanyo ito na.
Turn around, turn around, turn around. The guys behind.
Yung mga potential. Kaya. Atrak.
Just kill them.
nice heal.
Bomb the fire tanks, guys. In front of us.
Pin 1 guy, pin 1.
They are coming from the
Don't,
back.
don't, don't,
Pin
don't,
1 gone.
We're pushing to pin 1 in 3, 2, 1. Push now, pin 1. Push them down, SNS, push down.
Tulak.
Hold up,
Right one.
hold here, hold. Don't go down, just hold. Don't pile up.
Regrouping.
Alright, go back to Boon. Pin 7, heal up. Stop fighting there, come back.
Waypoint pa rin.
Lahat sila nandun. Don't be complacent, guys. They can use gate behind us. Stop AFK. Nasaan na sila?
Puntang same route, Jay, kanina.
Pin 3?
3 side.
Asan na?
3 side, outside sa
Follow me,
3.
pin 2. Follow me, pin 2. Follow me, pin 2 now. Follow me, pin 2 now. In 3, 2, 1, go. Come here. Follow me. Flank them now. Push hard. Go.
Inak mo, Gyro. I like this.
Buff on reason.
Okay, we're going back to pin 3. In 3, 2, 1, swing back to pin 3. Kill these guys in front of us. Pin 3. Bomb on pin 3. Stebo niya. Good shit, guys. Holding now. Just hold pin 3. Still fighting. We're pushing down at pin 3. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Man up now. Let's push them down. Don't let them free it.
Right side, pin 3 ah. Right side, pin 3. Bush
They
side.
use gate. We go back. Pull back. Pin 7. We're holding pin 7 now. Run. Pin 7. They use gate already. Pin 7. Heal up. Come. We're holding this.
Ay, iwan si Boss Mercy.
Iwan ako dun ah.
Swarming.
Bind sa akin.
We are pushing in pin 3 in 3, 2, 1, let's go! Holding pin 3 now! Kill the guys in front of the Boonstone. Inside Boonstone, inside
Reset.
Boonstone. Yeah, good shit guys. Keep pushing. We're not going down Just hold pin 3. Okay. Okay, we're pulling back, Kill the guys flanking us, Just hold pin 7. Stay here. Kill the SNS guys. Kill them. We're having fun. Okay, just stay. Ready. Get inside Boonstone. We're pushing. Ready. In 3, 2, 1. We're pushing pin 3. Let's go now.
Loyan, mga loyan.
Pushing out now. Pushing out.
Everyone slow.
Hard push. Camp the firing gate.
One reason.
Camp the firing gate on the right side.
Yup.
Camp the gate. Right side.
Air flank, Jay.
Right side. Hold it. Hold the gate.
May mga galing pin
Sige lang,
Jay.
Just cancelin nyo yung magtatap na lang. Just hold this side. Come to me, pin 14.
Nice all
Come
hit.
to pin
Nice
14.
heal.
Play around here. Get the top. And just come the gate. It's gonna be gone soon.
Punish.
Healer, binaban natin. It's fine, camp the gate.
Counting ako 10. Wait lang. Last kill.
Okay, go back. We're going back to pin 7. Going back to pin 7 now. Hold pin 7. Come here.
Reason, you have debuff.
They're pushing. They're flying.
Pushing pin
Where?
1 ata.
11.
No, right
13
pin
Jay,
1. 11.
Pin 6?
Ay.
13.
Pin 6 ba?
Teka.
Where?
May magpipin 1.
Okay, push pin 1. Huwag nyo na pakatin. Kill the guys at pin 1 now. The split pushing. Kill the guys at pin 1. Hold it.
Boss Mercy, tara likod, backline.
Party nyo. Right side. We're swinging pin 6 in 3, 2, 1. Let's go right side now. Pin 6. Kill the guys at pin 6 now. Stop fighting at 1. Kill the guys at 6. Guardian up. Okay, we're pushing back to pin 1. Hold the piton. Pin 1. Let's go. Hold the jump up. Here on me. Pin 1. Come here, everyone. Okay. Kill everyone coming up. Free kills, boys. Okay, relax. Don't go down. Relax. Pin 9. Go back to pin 9. Heal up.
Nice heal.
Nakita, dito na rival ako. Pag.
Huwag ka magpipiton. Don't use the piton, guys. They can hit you when you're going up. Run from pin 30.
Kalaban top.
Come here, pin 7. And then just tell me if they're pushing again.
Nine minutes,
May
5 hit.
papuntang
Wala na lang.
Guys, if
Last.
you can go up,
Yeah.
go right
That's 10
Go right.
minutes now.
on Dripstone.
They're going from piton.
Okay, ready to hold it. Just kill those.
They will go also
Next
from
side.
pin 6.
Pin 6?
Yeah, some of them went there.
Yeah. They're stupid if they go pin 1. Just don't push down. Okay, we're pushing pin 13. Ready.
Coming to one,
Come in the middle. Ready. In 3, 2, 1. Pushing pin 13 now. Wipe these guys. This is all the best. But now, Bamir. Nice.
Ayan na, pin 1.
Going back to bone. Swinging back to the bone. If you still have guardian, use. Prior targets, guys. Prior target. Push back to pin 1. Push back to pin 1. Kill the guys
Waiting,
coming back.
waiting.
Go back to pin 1, guys. Go back to pin 1. Kill the guys coming back. It's free kills here. Help me here.
Mabas.
Hindi magiging mataba lahat yan. Isa-isa yan eh.
15 minutes.
Just hold. Oh, they're moving now towards pin 3. Okay, just group up. Come back here. Stop chasing.
Ayun lang, layo ng range.
Nasaan
Akit
sila
ka
ngayon?
pataas,
Saan
Akasha.
sila ngayon?
Ang ina inahabol ako doon sa
Sa pin 13 ka daan.
Saan sila ngayon?
Check ko 10.
Papunta ulit dyan. 6.
6? Okay.
Salamat siya.
Papunta sila right 13 ata. Pushing
All
right
in
sila.
sila. All in. All in.
All in, 13.
Six.
Okay.
Ah,
Ready
six side,
ready. Ready at 6, Ready in 3, 2, 1. Unahan natin. Pushing out na. Buffing up.
Right.
Let's go. Push out na. Push out. Straight towards backline, guys. Good shit.
Nice.
We're turning
Sabay
around.
pa ako, wala nang naabutan.
Behind us. Hit them behind us. Pushing back to pin 3. Level niya.
Target agad ako sa backline.
Naginawa rin.
Titira yung backline.
Masaya yan.
Dito talaga yan. Pag may nakamantuman.
Okay, hold inside. Stop fighting anywhere. Stop. Come here.
Oh, yun naman. Hindi ako kumabot. Kailan ako.
Sana
Lol.
ulan.
Pin 1.
Habol sa atin.
Pin 1.
Pin 1 ah.
Incoming
Pin
mo
1,
kaya.
pin 1.
SNS, just hold it. They're coming to pin 1. Hold it. Easy kills if they go up. Easy kills. Don't go down, Don't go down.
Tuto boy si Tony.
Nagkaton.
Alive sila.
Mag-iita sa taas.
Careful. Baka ma-slip bomb kayo dyan. Don't pile up.
Pull back pa waypoint.
Come back here.
Wait mo lang tong gilid.
We're chilling.
Walang tao.
Easy peasy.
Wala ko lang imbul pagat yun.
Nagpat ka
May
ata
nag-
eh.
Scouting
Wala.
sa 14 side
Hindi ako
14 side.
nag-count.
Ah, galing kang sanctuary.
Oo.
Mas may pasabay nga dito pang.
Wala ata
Tingnan
yun pa.
natin.
Saan ka banda?
Ayun, umatras.
Info.
May nag-PM carrot. Puta ka.
Sigod agad yung shotgun team eh.
Waypoint. Okay.
Nandun pa rin sila. Waypoint.
Guys, if you're struggling to get back, use the right side. Go up.
Don't use pin 1, guys. They can hit you before you go up.
Incoming 14 side.
May umaharang eh. Minsan
Three.
sa 14. 5 nga nasa 5.
14 side na.
14.
Okay, ready.
In 3 coming.
Pin 3.
No, they stop.
Okay, ready.
Diyan na, 3 na.
Ready at 3. Ready. They're buffing up. Ready in 3. Up, wait. 3, 2, 1. Buffing up now. Let's go. Hit the left. Pushing left. Hit the guys at the left.
Shotgun.
Nice drop.
Look behind us. Okay,
Step.
charge 6. Okay, just keep killing. Well done.
One's dying. Go.
I got you, Ace.
Backline
Guys, huwag
natin.
niyo ubusin guys. Monster na yung napapatay ko.
Go back to pin 7.
Wala na akong papatay. Monster na lang. Ubusin niya eh.
Ito, may tumatakbo. Walang menap po.
Wag Deep pa. Guys, balik agad. Same shit, Jai. 14.
Ano ba, Bow?
Labas.
Matatamaan ka. Dumaan ako sa
Follow me.
bridge, Bow.
Follow me. Regroup at
Yeah.
pin 2. Regroup at pin 2.
14, tsaka 1.
Pin 2 now. Pin 2 now. Fast. Pin 2. Move. Ready. We're pushing to 14 in 3, 2, 1. Chase them now.
May one side yan ah. Check yung kawan. Check yung kawan. May naka-invis dito. Ito lang.
Okay. Just clear them out here at 14. We're going back.
Uy,
Going back now. Going back to the boon.
Hindi makatap. Ano lang, give up.
Tayo na nun, sinilence pa ako.
going 10 sila, Jai. 10, 10 side. 10 side.
We want main beers.
Hindi na tayo pupush ng 10. Just stay here.
Show beside me, Amatorski.
Kumuha to 1v1. Putang ina mo.
Arjing konti sa bridge.
Okay. Sorry, back pushing. Ready?
Sige.
We're not pushing pin 10. We're holding pin 2. Don't go up.
Ganda ng pwesto
We
dyan.
let them push down.
Oh, shit dyan ah.
Itis.
Mga American
Huwag
sniper
ka
ah.
magalokan. Yun pa.
Mga tirador nasa taas mismo kasi.
Ten side. 10 side lang.
Alright. Isip sila pre. Tap pa.
Ilan sila?
Nobody. May last push pa yan. Nagantay yung gate. 6
Up
minutes
na-
pa yung mag-spawn yung gate nila.
Up to Guardian.
May gate na rin.
Hindi tayo gagamit.
Bridge. Hindi pala. Spectators pala.
If they push, huwag kayong ano. Huwag kayong lumapit.
Kuya Eddie.
Pasubo talaga pang
Pushing.
Where?
From.
Pin 10,
Out
10,
back.
10.
Bridge.
Bridge.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready.
Ready. Pushing na.
We're holding pin 2. Ready. In 3, 2, 1. Buffing up now. Holding pin 2. Damn to. Gusto slaughter bro.
Nice twist.
Check behind us. Flankers. Check flankers.
Okay. Bun.
OG ako.
Okay. Just check around. Boon. The crossbows.
Nalag ako. What the fuck? Ano yun?
Ako rin.
What the fuck is happening?
Stay.
Yeah.
Na-turn on na nila yung lag script guys. May lag script sila. Oh my god.
Kasi may cam.
May konti sa pin 10.
14 side. Jai.
Come back here to Boon guys. Stop fighting there.
14 side, 1 party, 10 side.
Huwag kayo masyadong mapante. Baka dumating si Goku.
Goku.
O matalo tayo bigla.
Kanya yung ili nyo.
Anong minute sila na gate, Jai?
10.
21.
Dami reset.
Di last 1 minute meron sila na.
22 siguro. Ganun.
Last 2 minutes. Tago ka na ata, Kayla. Ikaw na. Ikaw na ata mag-gate. O ako na ba? Tago ako.
Okay doon.
Hindi mo kailangan magtago. Pull back lang pag nakita mo losing.
Yeah.
Is anybody else freezing?
Yeah, I think a lot of us. Because of the rain.
I don't see them.
Restart.
What is this?
Ayun na, tuman na din ako pang.
Where are they?
Waypoint.
Yeah, on the bridge of the waypoint.
Tumuko na.
Apetek ako pang, please. Thanks.
They will do a last push when their gate is cooled down.
Ba't lumilipad
Copy naman si Ace dun support kay Drama.
Tawanan ni Dark yung 9.7 kay HP. Gago.
I love K-drama. Ay, di ka pala. Di pala ako hilig sa K-drama.
Ang dami palang sinashout ni Bebop sa world. Yun sa meaning nun. Win siya na.
Sariling laban doon ng puta. Tangina ni Biba.
Late naman yan pumasok, Jai.
Na kailangan dito sa atin, Boss Mercy, trigger discipline eh. Pagkakita ng
Walang silbi tayo, walang silbi. Walang
Ready
natin
ya,
masyado.
they still have gate.
Be ready. Just keep finding them. Scouts, info.
Waypoint pa rin.
Nagtawag ng GM. Saman ka 10 belander dito.
2 minutes tapos na.
May overtime to, di ba?
Yep. May overtime ang boot.
Ready.
They will use guardians now. Get ready. Come here, come here. This is their last push.
Add all the hit ends.
Moving. Pa-right.
13 ata,
Where's my
13.
party?
13 possible.
Where's my party?
Wait.
Get ready.
Kila, pwesto ba? Pag ano, wala nga din.
Nasaan na?
Wala akong imbi ah.
O, lumayo.
Umikot lang.
Gate.
Where are they? Where are they?
Ayun ko
13 side
13.
sila nag-RG.
13.
Ang konti.
Nasa gitna.
Oh, 13 side, 13 side.
Splitting up sila. Okay,
Mag-
ready?
Hit sila,
Hindi
hit sila
lang sa
stab sa
13.
13.
Pushing 13.
Yeah, we're ready. We're pushing 13 in 3, 2, 1. Buffing up now. Buffing up. 13 now. Push 13. Guardian up. Guardian up.
Mercy sagad. Ay, ako nakita.
Kailangan ko.
May resistone sila.
Nice.
Nice,
Behind us.
Brewski.
Check behind. Check behind. Check behind. Bootstone side. Bootstone
Behind,
side.
behind.
Behind the guys at Bootstone. May magpail ako.
Matay ako, Jay.
Kailan mo may tao sa linya.
Eh,
May tao dun sa puno. Yung
Bakit
pininan
tayo?
nyo. Yung pininan nyo kanina.
Pin 12 ba may tao doon?
Using gate. I mean using rest stone.
type again, all the hit, bro.
Heal me please.
Oy, invite all the hate. We're dying.
Oo nga, kaya pala wala ay healer.
Jay, dito namin Redmond Valley.
Hindi niya abot yun, yung pin 12. Nasa taas.
Good shit.
Push to pin 1. Push to pin 1. Come on. They're going up.
Patay,
They're going
patay,
up. Free kills. Free kills. Free kills. Heal Heal me please. Thank you. Push down, push
Tao
down,
sa boot
push
na.
down,
Okay.
push down.
Hindi ko na lang
Below.
pagalawin yung tao sa boot.
Fine, kill everyone. Give it the mob. Push them at the fucking safe zone. Help me, help me. Help me, 15.
Shotgun po dito. Pin 1.
Gun!
Dito, dito. Dami oh. Gago, 1 pa na.
GG's.
GG.
What's our 3 to 1?
Okay, we will type this.
What are we typing?
Nag-compose pa, pang. Nag-compose pa.
I'm composing my line, bro.
Wait. Give it a sec.
Okay, type this.
Who's next? Ah!
Nice one. Maganda yan ah.
Type this. Ready?
D.
Ready, 3, 2, 1, fire! Ano yan?
Salute yan, salute.
Flex yan, flex.
We just declared
Kaya
the
making
war.
a threat for attendance.
What's that their main guild?
That's their script guild, bro.
Post attendance lang. Tangin ang init.
Tangin mo yan. Ano kung kay Asota Pride. Ay,
Wala siya sa tao eh.
Asota.
Thread is up.
Then nakuha nila. Mga bear. Yung Conky, wala silang kalaban.
Horse yun eh kanina.
Bakit sila yung bear?
Tatlo
Dalawa.
wala yun.
Paul, ang hirap namang shotgun eh. Sabog-sabog na sila. Wala na eh. Nauubos na mas mercy.
Assist na lang atin dun, assist.
Tingi-tingi na lang rin tayo na.
Post ka na, pang. Ay, dito na pala.
Sino ba